Yugioh! This is a 348 part 1 ranked match. I lost this one versus Cyber Dragon. There we go. Not a good hand. And we got Diviner. Send Arclight, get Ben 10, or Zeta Ben 10. Add Eva. Ben 10, or how did I get Eva? I don't remember. That's for Verte. Copy Red Eyes Fusion. Got Dragoon. I thought it was okay. Set the end perm. And then he droplet me. Tried negating hers with the orange light. Eva, banish those two. Prosperity, did 3, add Cyber Emergency. And he activates Emergency for core. Normal summon core. I orange light. Discard Diviner. And he summons Cyber Dragon. Battled and destroyed my Dragoon. And then he Mega Fleet, but then I on summon chained infinite impermanence. 0. I thought it wasn't gonna go through because it was until the end of the turn. I thought his attack was gonna go back, but it was end phase, draw phase. His attack still remained at 0. Zeta Ultimateness, Zeta Effect, add Ritual Spell. Activate Ritual Spell for Ultimateness and attack. Battle. Kill. Minus 2000. And I end it. This turn, Prosperity. What did he do there? He did another 3. Drew Emergency. I drolled him. Cyber Dragon with 221. Oh man. Minus 50. How come it's only minus 50? It's 21. Oh, the Prosperity. Half the damage. Zeta out of 10. Ritual for ultimateness in defense. Summon Nashter. Nashter's effect. What is Nashter's effect? Target one machine in your graveyard. Oh, okay. Okay. Emergency core. Machine duplication. It's gonna target Nashter, which is named the Cyber Dragon, so we could machine dupe it. There's 3 Cyber Dragons. Overlaid for Nova. Nova's effect. Wait, let's go back for a second. Whoa. Where the f would I go now? How come this guy's Dragoon? What? I just rewinded and it screwed up. Why is it still doing this stuff? What the f? Okay. I wanted to see what card he discarded, and then he got. Wait, that was, yeah. He discarded. He detached Cyber Dragon and then got Cyber Dragon again. Jeez. And then he got this guy. Tried to Foolish and then Infinity, and it was over from here. Seeger's Effect. Okay. Part 2. There we go. As you can see, the heart of the cards was not with me. Lancia, draw phase, shotgun. Of course, he has the Cyber Dragon and the Nashter. Machine duplication. Oh my god. Nova, Seeger, a Cyber Repair Plant, add core, Nova. Who did he target there? Oh, he detached it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was the material. Okay. Infinity, battle, attack, 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 and wow, drew the red dice. That's it, it was over from here. He's just gonna battle and kill. Oh. Oh. Damn it. I was at 510 before, gold. Rank gold, and now we are at $14.94 silver. Damn it. And 176, still at 176. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.